In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hover animation to text in Webflow. Whether you're looking to add a dynamic touch or simply enhance user interaction on your website, creating engaging hover animations can make a significant difference. And don't worry, in just a few simple steps, you'll be able to bring your text elements to life with a stylish hover effect. To get started, open your Webflow project and select the text element you want to animate. With your text element selected, we'll need to switch to the hover state. This is done by clicking on the States dropdown, which you'll find in the right panel within the Style Manager. The States dropdown is a powerful feature in Webflow that allows you to define styles for different states of an element, such as hover, pressed, or focus. For this animation, we're focusing on the hover state, so select Hover from the drop-down menu. Now it's time to modify the text style to craft an appealing animation. Start by changing the text color. This could be a subtle transition from a neutral shade to a vibrant one, depending on your website's color palette and design goals. Altering the text color is an effective yet simple way to draw attention, compelling visitors to notice the interactive element. Next, you should consider reducing the opacity. Lowering the opacity slightly can conjure a faded or subtle appearance when users hover over the text. This muted effect, when combined with other style changes, can give your text an enigmatic and engaging look that invites users to interact. In addition to color and opacity, you might want to scale up the text slightly. For instance, transitioning the scale from 1 to about 1.05 can give the impression that the text is growing or popping, subtly inviting the viewer's engagement. This slight exaggeration often captures attention and highlights the text effectively without being too overwhelming. Finally, add a little movement to enhance the animation further. You can achieve this by using the Transform tool within the Design panel. Adjust the Move settings specifically by altering the Y-axis positioning. A small upward shift, say moving by -2 pixels, creates a gentle lift effect. This movement, combined with scaling and color changes, brings a dynamic and sophisticated element to your design. And there you have it. By applying these style adjustments, you'll see that each hover interaction feels both smooth and intentional, greatly enriching the user experience on your site. Remember to preview your changes, ensuring the effects look just as you imagined across different devices. The combination of these subtle techniques results in an engaging animation that not only captures attention, but also enhances your design's overall interactivity. Thanks for watching and happy designing with Webflow.